Question number 6 is again a t-test, but the difference is this is a matched pairs test. So we are looking at the sales for these salespeople when they have a bonus versus when they don't have a bonus. So these are not two independent random samples because these all come from the same group of salespeople. So essentially what we need to do is we need to find the differences here, and we're going to look for the average difference. So the average drop with the bonus versus without the bonus. So what I've done in the calculator, I've entered the sales with the bonus into list 1. I've entered the sales without the bonus into list 2. And to find the differences, I'm just going to go to the home screen and I'm going to take list 1. I'm going to subtract list 2. So I have with minus without. I'm going to store that into list 3. So now I have all of the differences. And again, our null hypothesis was that the average difference would be 0. The alternative is that the average difference is greater than 0. We're looking for a drop. Well, so notice what we can do. You can select t-test, but then instead of entering the statistics, you can press the left arrow and you can use the data. So we could calculate the mean and the standard deviation for list 3, or we could just go ahead and use list 3. So the null hypothesis value is 0. If having the bonus and not having the bonus, you get about the same sales, you would expect a mean of 0. So we're looking for evidence that there actually is a drop on average. So our data come from list 3. So I'm going to include list 3 here. So because we're looking for a size, a drop on average, I am looking for a greater than alternative. The alternative is that the mean is actually greater than 0. A drop exists. So we'll highlight calculate, and there's the t-score. There's the 2.876, and there's our p-value of 0.0174. Again, this is a question about a mean, so it's also good to report not just the t-score and the p-value, but also your degrees of freedom. And in this case, the degrees of freedom are 1 less than the sample size of 6. That would be 5.